The furnishing industry is getting more and more creative in terms of efficiency and design. Sonae Arauco leads the way in supporting this market trend. 3DF, three-dimensional fiberboard, an innovation that is carried from the Sonae Arauco R&D laboratory in Germany to the whole world. Conventional CNC processes often take a lot of time and do not use the raw materials efficiently. Choose now for a fast, productive and cost-efficient solution. In a single step with the most innovative wood-based material solution on the market with 3DF. Simply develop your own customized design, replicate it in a mold, apply pressure and heat, and voila! A top-of-the-range board is ready without even having the need for cooling down. With a highly compressed smooth surface, 3DF is perfect for lacquering or even for surfacing with 3D foil or CPL directly at the moulding process. 3DF allows for the deepest structures and most demanding designs by simply adjusting the temperature, pressure and moulding time. Being able even to press curved elements with high radiuses like chairs. For simple bended elements like furniture fronts, a vacuum press can be used. Furthermore, 3DF is environmentally friendly by using formaldehyde-free thermoplastic resins and for creating dust-free environments as it generates virtually no waste. 3DF is therefore the best option for turning your most demanding designs into reality with maximum flexibility and minimum effort and costs. 3DF, three-dimensional fiberboard from Sonae Arauco for ultimate design freedom.